We'll now show you how to update the firmware. So tap on the top left hand corner on the hamburger menu and you can see settings. Select that. Under settings, there is a option for firmware update. Select firmware update. So there are new updates available. Tap on Update for smart plugs. The update is a success. So this is how you update the firmware for your Kasa smart plug. You can see here that we have a setup for charging our battery. We're going to use the Smart Plug app on our mobile device to turn on and off the charging. Let's turn it on. You can see now that the battery is charging. Let's turn it off using our Smart Plug app. So this is one use of the Smart Plug, where you can use it to control your battery charging even remotely so that you will not overcharge. Other uses are you can use your smart plug to control your lighting or even your air conditioning. So some applications for the smart plug.